Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today we are unboxing a new subscription service. Well, new to me because I think it's been around for a while. It is the lippiebox. It is a box that is strictly for lips, all lip products in one box, and this is what the box design looks like. It is actually a pretty small box. I thought it was going to be a little bit bigger, but like I said, I don't judge on sizes because you never know what's inside. But before I start to unbox this with you, I would really appreciate it if you subscribe to my channel and like this video and share it. It would mean the absolute world to me. It's to unboxing this. Yes, I am growing fond of these breakouts because apparently they haven't left yet, so we will ignore those today and get straight to seeing what's inside. This box retails for $19 a month, but if you prepay for like a 3 to 6 month plan, I think, the price does drop. So I did pay for a 3-month renewal and my price dropped to $15. I believe if you pay for the 6-month, it drops down to $13. So that is something to think about. I have recently started to prepay for my boxes because I've noticed that it does save me quite a bit of money. So opening up this box, ooh, it has a cute little lip sticker. Ooh. Okay, I see a lot of cards here. I believe one of them is the lippiebox card, which tells me of the products that are inside. And these kind of seem like business cards from the products that are inside of the box. I have one that is from Lip Locker. Can't really see it. There you go. One's from Lip Locker. One is from Sun Crush Lips. That's what that one looks like. And another one is from Breakups to Makeup. Love Raised Me Lipstick. No, wait. Love Raised Me, Lipstick Saved Me. I am sorry about that. That's what that one looks like. And I believe they do have coupon codes. If they do, I will list those down below. First thing that's jumping out at me is this large little tub that's in here. It doesn't have a label on it. It's just all red. And this one, looking at the pamphlet, it is a naked scrub. It is a naked lemon scrub. It says this natural lip and body scrub. This is a natural lip and body scrub. This plant-based citrus scrub is made with only 3 natural ingredients. It will leave your lips smooth, moisturized, and yummy. And it retails for $5. So opening it up, ooh, that was hard to open. Oh, it smells so good. Oh my God. I'm sorry if I'm looking pale too, it's the lighting. I apologize, but that is what it looks like. It's really soft. It is a lip scrub. I love the smell of it. I love this. All I have to say is that I love receiving lip scrubs in any box. I am a lip scrub fanatic, so I'm happy to be receiving this in the box. Let me wipe my hands off. Next product that I see here is a Breakups to Makeup lipstick pen. Oh, this isn't a lip product. I saw a spoiler of this and I actually thought it was like a lip product, but it's not. It is a lipstick pen, and it says Breakups to Makeup was launched in June 2013 to spread the message that makeup is more than just a product but also a form of art. Visit their online shop to find other fun and quirky fashion accessories. Okay. So this is what it looks like. It looks like a lipstick, and oh, there we go. There's the pen. This is really cute. This does not have a price on it, so yeah, it doesn't have a price on it. But I think this is really cute, and I feel like I'm gonna be throwing this in my purse for when I sign documents or whatever I have to sign or pass my number. I don't know. Next product that I'm pulling out here is a Bee Bombshell lip gloss in the color Kiss Off. I don't think it's here in the pamphlet, I believe. This is what the outer packaging looks like, and let's see what the color of the lip gloss is. It's a very hot pink lip gloss with a lot of shimmers in it. Let me see if it picks up well. There we go. That is what it looks like. It doesn't have a retail price for it, but it is a really nice pink color. To be honest, I'm not too fond of hot pink glosses, especially if they're pigmented. I will definitely appreciate it. Oh, sorry, I already broke off the top. I definitely appreciate it if it is clear, because I just don't really like adding like hot pink gloss. I prefer a hot pink in a liquid lipstick form or a lipstick. It is slightly pigmented, not too much. It is very up in person. It is very sparkly, but this is probably a lip product that I will pass on to my sister because she's all glitter and glam, so I'm pretty sure she will get good use out of this. And Karina, if you're hearing me, this is for you. Next product that I have here, I just opened it. I'm sorry, my camera died. It wasn't filming when I opened it and I was talking about it, but it is the lip locker. I honestly thought that it was I thought it was a chapstick or a lip balm, but it's actually a lipstick and it's metallic. Look how pretty that is. I just swatched it right now and it's this one right here. That is the gloss. Look how pretty that is. That is super cute, and I'm really pleasantly surprised, and it's really unique to see them in this kind of packaging. That is really cute. This one retails for $4.99, and it says they come in a chapstick tube, but they're real lipsticks. Lip Locker will soon be launching a do-it-yourself lipstick kit where you can create your own custom lipsticks at home. Be sure to follow them to be the first to know about their launch. This is really cool, and this is really exciting to get in this box. I believe the last two products in here are lip balms, and one of them is from Chicken Pop. It's called Lip Junk. It says, Grandma says if you got dry lips, put Chicken Pop on them so you won't lick them. All natural lip moisturizer, contains no pop, and it retails for $4. And I think I probably got an unscented one, and it says 100% free range Chicken Pop Lip Junk. That is really cute. I'm definitely going to throw this in my purse. I love carrying lip balms everywhere because I suffer from chapped lips, believe that. And the next lip balm that I see here is a Sun Crush Lips Organic Calendula, I'm gonna butcher that, lip balm. Lovingly handmade in the Pacific Northwest with the calendula flowers, picked fresh from our garden and infused with California extra virgin cold pressed olive oil base. Sun Crush lip balms will soothe even the worst cracked, chapped, weathered, and dry lips. And this one retails for $3.75. And I got it in the, I think it's orange. Yeah, orange Sun Crush. It is an orange flavored lip balm. I am really excited to try this one. I love everything orange. Orange is like my favorite fruit ever. So I am happy that I got this. And to be honest, I am actually quite impressed with lippiebox. That being said, that it is only for lips, I believe that they tend to gear more towards lip care, as in like lip balms, lip scrubs. I do hope they add more, you know, lip glosses, liquid lipsticks, and mix with that. And to keep them lip scrubs coming, because I love me a good lip scrub. Overall, I do think it was worth it. I do recommend to prepay because you will get them for a more affordable price. If you guys are interested in them, please go check them out on their Instagram. I will leave their Instagram name down below. And yeah, I want to thank you guys so much for watching my video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will catch you in the next one.